Welcome back. Today we are jumping straight into a rapid-fire explainer covering some seriously interesting market analysis from the Fanatics channel. On June 3rd, they selected a highly specific watch list right before the market opened for June 4th trading. We're going to break down the technical criteria behind these picks, and honestly, the results ended up surprising even me.
So as any trader knows, timing is literally everything when it comes to intraday trading. We locked in this exact list on June 3rd, actively looking for very specific technical criteria. We're talking about things like volume breakouts and key support bounces, all designed to capitalize on the market open the very next day.
The scope here was completely laser-focused. We had exactly 14 tickers on the radar. And the performance? It was exceptional, guys. 8 out of these 14 stocks closed positive, which generated a combined movement of over 15% across the board. So let's go ahead and break down some of these winners.
Okay, looking at our first batch, which spans everywhere from auto to green tech, the technical setups absolutely delivered. JBM Auto is a clear standout, closing up a very solid 3.52%. But you know what's really fascinating? Even the selections in this specific group that were marked as incorrect or didn't hold their gains all day, they actually still saw a 2 to 3% profit margin during the day before they reversed near the market close. Moving on to the next cluster, covering wellness to crop protection, we saw Vardhman Textiles capture a clean 1.85% gain. But honestly, this entire group perfectly highlights why intraday risk management is just absolutely crucial. If you don't secure those profits when a stock moves 2 or 3% in your favor, a late-day reversal is going to wipe out the whole shebang. You have to lock it in.
And in our final grouping, the analysis truly paid off in a big way. IOL Chemicals banked a fantastic 3.96% gain. But the absolute rocket of the day, no question, it was Thangamayil Jewellery, which just exploded for a massive 15.13% win. I mean, wow. This is exactly what happens when precise technical selection meets the right market momentum.
Now, I need to hit pause for a second and shift gears, because this is vital. All of this data we're looking at is shared purely for learning, educational, and market analysis purposes. The Fanatics channel is not SEBI registered, and this is absolutely never a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any stock. You always need to do your own research and consult a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.
Ultimately, building your analytical muscles requires serious emotional control. Recognizing a 2% profit and actually taking it, rather than getting greedy and suffering through a reversal, is how emotional discipline prevents those common trading mistakes. And hey, the learning doesn't stop here. The new watch list for June 5th is already out, and we're keeping our eyes on Yasho Industries, Sunflag Iron and Steel, Shilpa Medicare, Quality Walls, Jash Engineering, Power Grid, GAIL, Ramco Systems, Aditya Birla Lifestyle Brands, Titan, and Zee Entertainment. Whew! Keep tracking, keep learning, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.